Most people waste hours giving free opinions on social media, while smart people are quietly getting paid $10 to $30 every time they give feedback on basic websites. In this video, I'm showing you the exact platform, UserFeel, and walking you step by step through a real test so you can start earning real money from home today. Companies spend millions building websites, but if a customer gets confused for even 5 seconds, that company loses thousands. That's where you come in. UserFeel pays regular people to test these sites, speak their thoughts aloud into a microphone, and point out what's broken. There's no coding, no experience needed, and no upfront fees. But there is one strict qualification test that causes over 80% of beginners to get rejected instantly. I'm going to show you the exact trick to pass that test on your first try, along with a live walkthrough so you can start getting paid this week. Here's why UserFeel is willing to hand you cash just for speaking your mind. Every time a customer leaves a broken website, that business loses money. By recording a quick 15-minute test and giving your honest feedback, you save them thousands and they instantly pay you for it. Here is how to get started right now. First, open any browser, search for UserFeel, click on the website, and click Sign Up for Free. Enter a random name and email because we are here to get paid by testing, not to pay. When you click Request, you will see a Get Paid to Test. Click Here section. Click on it and start to fill in your identity, like your name, email, country, time zone, and a way to get paid. It is only PayPal, right? So choose it and enter your PayPal email to receive the payment. Select your gender, languages, family status, and web experience. Just choose Regular User if you don't have experience. Select your device for testing. Mine is a laptop, but you can choose from these options. Fill in the optional parts too, but if you don't want to, you can skip them. Check this box if you want to test adult content, but if not, skip it. Check the other 2 boxes and click Apply for Tester. Now you officially become their judge. To start earning by testing, click on Take Tests. Unfortunately, there is no website to judge right now, so you need to wait until they come out with a new website. But if you want to take a training, you can by going to the qualification test. This one doesn't pay, it is just for training. To withdraw your earnings, go to the wallet part, put in the amount of money you would like to withdraw, usually between $2 and $100, and press Withdraw. Now that you see how the process works, here is the honest reality. UserFeel is not going to replace a full-time job, but it is one of the easiest side hustles to make an extra $100 to $300 a month in your spare time. The key to getting consistently paid tests is passing that qualification run on your first try and keeping a high rating by speaking clearly. Head over to the link below, set up your profile, and start taking your first test today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real ways to make money online.